Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Today we'll discuss about why do you upcast any browser driver object to the WebDriver object in Selenium WebDriver. I have defined a Chrome driver here, so I have set the property of the Chrome driver. So here, usually what we do, suppose if you want to launch the Chrome driver object, we will create an object of it and we are assigning to the WebDriver. So why we do that? Even we can also write like we can create an object of the Chrome driver and we can assign to the Chrome driver object as well. Suppose if your requirement is to launch or your execution of your application completely should be done on the Chrome driver and we don't have a requirement like no need to check with any other browser, then if you define this will be fine. This will comes only when if you want to execute your application with the multiple browser. Suppose you have defined only the Chrome driver, something like this. So if you observe this architecture of the WebDriver, so there is a WebDriver interface and JavaScript interface and take screenshot interface. These three are implements the remote WebDriver. That means the method, unimplemented method, which are available in a JavaScript executor, WebDriver and text screenshot will be implemented in the remote WebDriver. Since these driver objects, since these driver classes are extends this remote WebDriver, suppose if you say Chrome driver, in the Chrome driver can able to access all the properties of the JavaScript executor, WebDriver and the screenshot method and variables, because it is extending the remote WebDriver. In this case, if I define this one, so this driver object, the Chrome driver object can able to access all the properties of the WebDriver, JavaScript executor and the text screenshot. But if I want to launch the FirefoxDriver again, we need to create one more object one. Suppose I want to create this edge driver, right? So I need to create a separate object. I need to create for the edge driver, something like edge, create a edge driver object. So in this driver object, driver 2 can able to launch only the edge driver. With this Chrome driver object, not able to launch the edge driver, right? Because it is specific to the Chrome driver and this edge driver object is specific to the edge driver. But in real time, what happens? It won't work something like this. Suppose in the example, like if you are working only the Chrome driver, that is fine. If you are working only for the edge driver in your application, that is fine. But while creating the framework, we need to create a framework in such a way that the framework should be feasible to the application can be executed with all types of browser like Chrome browser, FirefoxDriver. We will do that on common scenario, something like we will define something WebDriver object here. We define some WebDriver object and usually we go for the switch statement. Switch statement something like this. Usually the driver we will be selecting in the properties file only. So this won't be included in the script. It will be selected in the property because just for your demo purpose I have written this code here. So usually we will write this code into the properties file. Okay. In the property file only we are selecting which driver we need to execute. Okay. So if you select the Chrome, then in the switch statement it will go to the Chrome case and it will go and launch the browser Chrome driver. Right. If you mention the edge here, it will go here and it will launch the driver will be assigned to the edge. So this is possible only when if you define the driver in terms of the WebDriver. If you assign, you need to write the framework in such a way that should be feasible to work with all the browsers. So while writing framework, usually we follow this switch statement. Otherwise, if you are defining something like this switch statement and these kind of steps itself is not required. In conclusion, we can say that if you use the driver object as a upcast the driver to the WebDriver, then you can able to perform using this driver object. We can able to launch different browser as well. But if you define to the particular about the Chrome, it should be particular to the respective browser driver only. Okay. So hope you understand this concept. Why we need to upcast our driver object to the WebDriver. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit like button and if you have any doubt, please put it in comment section. Let me revert back with the update and please don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos. Thank you.